Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna fix a common issue, and that's the death wobble. I was driving 65 miles an hour down the highway, and all of a sudden I hit one of those big potholes, I guess you would call it, right where you hit the bridge, where it dips down, I guess. I don't know, the little gap where the metal beams are in. And I lost control of this thing. Things started going. It was pretty bad. All I had to do was I got over one more lane. I was in the center lane, and I just slowly slowed down into a halt, and it stopped. But it's already halfway to my destination, so I limped it to it. I needed to get there, and then on my way back, I limped it all the way home, going 20. Even having going 20, I hit a pothole. Like a small one. I couldn't even avoid it. I swear. If I can hit it. And then just lost it again. I'm like, son of a bitch. So, but, yeah, it shot. The front end shot. I didn't think it was that bad. I have the part for it. As you can see in the previous videos that we're working on, the work truck here, trying to get it all set and going. And I just think it was that bad. I don't know. I wasn't doing that going around town. As soon as I took it on the highway, it's like, and I almost crashed. I did like four times. So she has not been driven at all. So I think it's pretty bad. I'll tell you why. I don't want to tell you. I'll show you why. Just listen. Alright, we're up here. Ready? We're in the truck, and just when I turn the wheel, don't forget this. Don't look at that. All right, I'll fix that. That is so bad. Like, everything's broken up front. All the tie rod ends. The stabilizer bar. Oh dear Lord. Well, you know what? There's only one way to fix that, right? You know what that is? That's replace it. And I got the box for it. I got everything for it. Let's just get right to it. Get this thing done so I can get this thing back on the road. All right. Stay tuned. All right. So coming down underneath the truck, I think the stabilizer bar here definitely needs to get replaced. They go up to the pitman bar. Definitely needs to get replaced. I can move. It's such a big bar, so I can move it, which I'm not supposed to. All right. So I got the whole assembly. So this is all gonna come out. Let's see here. We got one bolt here. We got one bolt up the pitman arm, and we got one bolt out on the driver's side knuckle, and one bolt here. And this thing should drop pretty easily, and the next one will go in. I already sprayed it a lot with some BB Blaster. Hopefully this is going to do the trick. And you know what? Let's just get to it. Is out. The only thing that took a little bit of an issue was the one that goes up to the pitman arm. That's always like that. It's whatever. Took a little bit of banging, a little heating up, and some BB Blaster, and it came right on out. So now we got them both out. I highly recommend getting the whole complete assembly kit. all put together, because there's no way that you want to be effing and messing around and wasting your time with stuff that's been rusted, it's been in there. It's just going to give you troubles in the end, and you're going to be like, you know what, maybe I should have just spent the extra, I don't know, $100, $200, because this cost me $2 something, so probably $100, because you can get everything else probably for $100. So it's definitely worth it, just getting a whole new thing. Plus it looks good. I mean, look at it, it's all nice and painted and whatnot, and this is all nice and rusted. So I mean, your decision. So all set and done. Now we're going to put it back in. I got all new hardware as well, so everything's gonna get gooped up with some anti-seize and slapped right back on in there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take your stabilizer, stabilizer shot, strut, whatever, you're gonna put it right on in the slot. And this is even perfect too, so you can look back and forth and compare. So I'm gonna put this right on here. I'll goop it with anti-seize, put on the nut, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave that sitting like that. And when we get back into the truck, that will go into its spot right there. And once that's all set, everything else is gonna get bolted in as well, and definitely anti-seized up. So like this stuff right here, definitely gonna get anti-seized, because from now on, you don't need to get the whole assembly, because you know it's gonna come out and whatnot, because you took the steps to make sure that it's gonna come out. This guy, yeah, no, he didn't. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that this is gonna be easier from now on to work on, pretty much, you know. So let's get to it. Guys, it is all set. It is put back in, looking sharp, looking nice, right up in there. Nice piece of equipment we got there. Hopefully, you know, everything's all anti-seized, everything's all set. Make sure you're all set and done. You torque it, you put your cotter pins back in, and this is a big difference compared to this thing right here with a crap ton of play in it and whatnot. And it just, this thing was completely shot for sure. It is finally done, so now we can actually go get alignment now, and we can actually drive this thing without worrying about losing control and whatnot. We still have to do the stabilizer end links and the stabilizer bar bushings. I mean, that's pretty, you know, it's easy. So we'll do that, and then this thing will be a-okay, safe to drive, no more death wobble. So guys, thank you for watching. Do what you want to do, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.